Hello, this is Don Chater again. Just wanted to give you some more tips and tricks and follow up with a second video here to try and help you out here. And I use this tool here. I got your website pulled up and analyzed already. So a couple of things you can do to your website. So the title tag, it's Floyd's Towing, but it should be like Kenosha Towing, Racine Towing, and then your branding. And same thing here, meta description, there's none. So it should consistently say, where you're serving, and then your brand name, and then a paragraph of all the services you offer. Same thing with these header tags, H1 tags. You don't have any header tags on your website. So it should say like Racine Towing, Kenosha Towing. That's where hundreds of people are searching for your service, but your website doesn't have any of those, and Google wants to give the best search results to these people who are Googling, but your website's nowhere to be found on these results. So those are a few tricks. If you can get your title, and then some H1 tags, you can get a lot of content on here describing your services. Google would send bots in, scan that, and then they'll rank you immediately in weeks anyways. So I can help you with this if you want. Just hit me back on email reply. I want to just keep this email short. I don't want to be a spammer. I don't want to be that guy, but I do offer like no risk, no stress, no contract, walk away anytime. So just try me out and see what I can do. I can totally redo your website. I can do a lot of things here, and I can get you some results pretty fast. So hit me back, and thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.